Yes?
I something to show you. So, close your eyes.
Okay.
One, two,
What's that?
a car.
Ah, you drew a car? Wow! Ang ganda naman ng car. Very good Parang ano lang Ano to? Galing? Ang galing naman. Ang galing.
It's a pumpkin car.
A pumpkin car?
Ay, pumpkin.
Ah, a pumpkin car.
Yeah, it's
Ang galing naman talaga ng
and
baby.
I forget
What?
the door.
Ay, yung door pala ng car. Saan pala sila lalabas? Ay, ang galing talaga. Paano sila lalabas dyan?
Hindi.
Ano?
Okay lang.
Okay lang yun. Paano nila bubuksan yan?
I cannot open it because it's a drawing.
Hindi, I know it's a drawing, but... ay, binura?
I'll draw one around.
Sige. What's that?
Wait.
Ay, what's that?
Okay. Are you watch? Let's watch.
Wow, car ulit?
It's a ghost car.
May ghost car ba? Paano? Ha?
Wait.
Paano siya naging ghost car? It's like what?
A ghost car. The door, mommy. That's the door.
Let's go.
And that's the eyes from this one, and it's a eyes. It's a ghost eye car.
Oh, it's a ghost eye car. Tapos ito yung wheel niya.
Yeah.
Ang galing naman ng bebe ko. How to draw a school bus?
It's so long.
Yes.
Yeah. How about I do like?
Show to mommy. Then, maraming window. It's like a ship, Okay?
Ilan wheels?
Apat. 4 wheels. Ay, tatlo lang yan. Ay, ang galing talaga magawa.
Baka apa?
Saan dyan yung window? Saan dyan ang window?
Oh no!
Saan dyan ang door?
Adikos. Ito malaki.
Wow! That's ano? What?
A bus.
A bus, school bus. Galing talaga mag-drawing Sige. Tingnan mo bebe ko
Yeah.
Galing talaga? Hi!